Sawadee krab. Welcome to my dish channel. Long time no see, huh? I've been exercising because Sally said I'm too fat, okay? Today we make healthy food. Glass noodle, salad. Oh, it sounds healthy, right? Yes. All right? When you're ready, let's check out what we need first. Okay, we start with cutting veggies first. Okay, start with the onions. You keep slicing it. Yes. Okay, slice it more. And then just cut the head off and then spread it out. Oops, sorry. Okay, cool. Take the bottom out. Oh, this is too fat. Cool. And then just put into the bowl. Try to spread it out and then put it into the bowl. Yep. Okay. Next one is a tomato. Cut it half first, and then slice it again. As you can see, we don't take the bottom out for Thai people. Yes, a lot of veggies today. Okay, and then I put it together with the tomato, with the onion. Cool. Yep. Celery. Take the root out and then cut it long. Okay, around 1 inch. Not too small. Okay, and then this one I will separate it because when it has contact with the heat, right, it shrinks. So I will separate it. Oh, you can smell celery. Smell it. Yep, just put it in. Okay, set it aside. Next one is chili. Okay, smash it. Thai food always come with chili. Yes, smash it. Woo. You can smell it now. Okay, I hope you can see it, right? Yes, a little bit more. Oh, very good, good smell. Give you good color. Oops. Okay, and then scoop it out. Yep. Separate it again. All the seeds. Yes. Okay. And then we will cook the meat. Okay. You use plain water, okay? You boil it. See? And then you cook squid first. Okay, put the squid in. Yep. And then you just boil it. Okay? Not too long. Otherwise it shrinks, okay, when you cook the seafood. Yes. Around maybe half a minute, it should be okay. Okay, a little bit more. A little bit more. Yes. Oh, it looks beautiful. Okay, and then just take it out. Cool. And then do the same with the shrimp. Just put it in. Oop, one more. Yep. See, shrimps cook very fast, right? So don't cook it too long again. Otherwise it shrinks. Okay, a little bit more, just to make sure. Yep, I think it should be okay, yes. I don't like it, overcooked. Then you can put it together with the squid. All right. And then before you start cooking glass noodle, right, you have to change the water first because this water is very stinky. But before that, we will cook the minced pork. Let's check it out. Okay, use a pot, okay? Heat it up, put the pork in, and then water, around 2 tablespoons, not too much, okay? And then you put, what is it? Sorry. Soy sauce, yes, sorry. And then, just keep cooking it. Yes. If it is too dry, put more water in. Yes. We will use the juice inside add the stock also, okay? Just keep going. Too dry, add more water. Yeah, bit by bit, okay? Bit by bit. Until it's cooked. Yeah, a little bit more. It's nearly done now. Yes. Yep. And then put into the bowl. Take this one out. Take this one out. Yes, and then put into the bowl together with the juice, okay? Yep. Okay. And then we will make the sauce first before we start cooking glass noodle, okay? Because when it's cooked, right, glass noodle, I will mix it together. Otherwise, if you leave it too long, otherwise it stick together. Let's make the sauce. Okay, start with the stock first, okay? You just pour only the juice in. Yes. Sugar. I will put the ratio down below, don't worry, okay? Lime juice, fish sauce, and pickled garlic, okay? We use only the juice. I think you can fry it, but if you can fry it, it's okay, If you can fry it, it's the best because it enhances the flavor. And you just mix it well. Yes, mix it well. Yes, try to dissolve the sugar. Okay, and then set it aside, and then we will cook glass noodle. Okay, before you cook glass noodles, you have to soak it in water, just normal water, at least 10 to 15 minutes, okay? And then when the water starts boiling, you just put it in. Yes, okay. And then just spread it out. And let it cook around 1 to 2 minutes. Don't cook it too long, otherwise it's too soft, it's all mushy. Okay? Leave it around 1 to 2 minutes and then come back. Okay, it's been more than a minute now, right? Okay? How to check it? You just take one and then you just try it. Oh, be careful, it's hot. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, then you try it. Okay? Not too hard, not too soft. A little bit crispy, okay? Very good. And then you just take it out. Oops. Take it out. Take it out. Yep. Cool. And then we will mix it with the sauce. Okay. You pour chili in first, okay? Mix it together with the sauce, right? I hope you can see it. Yes. And then you put glass noodles in. Yep. And then mix it well. Mix it well. Oh, you can smell chili. Woo. Yep, and then you pour veggies in. Onions and tomato first. Mix it well. Okay, mix it well. Yep, and then celery. Woo, looks nice. Mix it well. Cool. Yep. Minced pork. Mix it well. Woo. Very nice. And then seafood, squid and shrimp. Mix it well. Smells so good. On the plate. Okay, it's not difficult, right? Very easy to make, okay? And it looks healthy. You know, all the seafood and the glass noodles. Next time, I will show you how to make it with instant noodle, tom yum flavor, okay? Similar to this one, and it's very yum. I used to have it when when I was drinking. This time, thank you for watching. Stay safe and wish you were here.